What if you could get a smartphone that does almost everything you need without spending a fortune? That's the question a lot of people are asking right now, and Samsung seems ready with an answer. The Galaxy A17 It's the latest entry in Samsung's popular budget series that has quietly built a reputation for giving people just enough of everything they want without the high-end price. And now, for the first time, we've got leaked renders that show us exactly what this new device looks like. If you've ever used a Galaxy A1X phone before, then the A17 might feel a little familiar. It keeps the design simple, a flat front, with a noticeable bezel, a clean rear design, and a triple camera setup that stands out in the otherwise plain look. But don't let the design fool you. This phone packs in more than you might expect for something that's likely going to cost less than $200. Inside, it runs on Samsung's Exynos 1380 processor. That might not be a big-name chip like a Snapdragon, but it's actually the same processor used in the Galaxy A16, and that model handled everyday tasks just fine. Paired with 6 GB of RAM, the Galaxy A17 should be able to handle things like streaming videos, switching between apps, browsing, and even casual gaming without much trouble. And there's likely going to be a higher RAM version too, for those who want just a little more. The screen is another area where Samsung didn't cut corners. The Galaxy A17 features a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display. That's the kind of screen you usually find in pricier phones, known for bright colors, deeper blacks, and overall better image quality. Watching movies, scrolling through photos, or just reading news will feel more enjoyable on this kind of screen. Powering all this is a big 5,000 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a full day of normal use. And when it's time to recharge, you'll be able to use 25-watt fast charging, something that's not always guaranteed in this price range. You won't be waiting forever just to get your phone back up to full. On the software side, the phone will launch with Android 15 right out of the box, combined with Samsung's One UI 7.0. That means you're getting the latest features and updates in terms of design, security, and performance. Considering that most budget phones often come with outdated software, this is a solid move by Samsung. We haven't heard anything official from Samsung about the release date, but leaked renders usually show up when the announcement is close. So it's likely that Samsung is gearing up to reveal it very soon, maybe through a quiet press release, which is usually how they announce these kinds of affordable phones. These types of launches don't get flashy launch events, but that doesn't mean they're not important. For a lot of people, this is the kind of phone they'll be using for the next couple of years. It's the kind of device you recommend to someone who doesn't care about fancy specs, but just wants something that works well, lasts long, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. If Samsung sticks to its usual pricing, this could be one of the best value for money options for 2025. So, if you're looking for a phone that does the basics really well, gives you a modern display, solid battery life, and 5G connectivity without emptying your wallet, then the Galaxy A17 5G might be worth keeping an eye on. What do you think? Would you consider a budget phone like this? Or do you think higher-end specs are worth the extra cost? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates like this one.